What is going on YouTube? So today for the tutorial I am going to do a fog light replacement because that one right there, it actually cracked. Look at this. This is terrible right here. Look at that. It's all cracked up. I don't want to cut my finger. Anyways, when I saw G1 Parts has it for sale for 44 bucks, I can't say no to that. So I also have an extra set of LEDs. LED is going to be the same ones in my low beam. It's going to be also in my fog lights because H11s are the same as H8s and another H series number. Can't remember what off the top of my head. But anyways, let's get the installation started. Alright, as you can see, here is the United LED with the canvas. And this right there, it's same as H8, H9, and H11. So since the fog light is H8, it will fit just fine on the genuine parts. Can't wait to open it. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Okay. Alright, for those of you who have a broken fog light for the passenger side, I'll show you. There you go, that's the part number 33900 TBA A01. Alrighty. Of course the fog light's made in China, right? Even though it says genuine. So, I'm not gonna complain. And also this part's actually ordered from the dealership. It's ordered from G1 Parts. There it is. Just don't drop this, right? Oh man, there you go, brand new. Alright, let's get started to the car here. We'll walk over to the car and get everything situated. Alright, so I took the front bumper off. I will link you in the description of where the tutorial is to take a front bumper off of a Civic Sedan Touring Edition. It's the same exact concept. The bolts are all exactly the same and all that stuff. Still using a T30 for those Allen keys. And also you have the Phillips head and all that stuff. The crazy part is the front grille is actually hard because all the clips are in the inside, so you have to take off the bumper, which sucks. But look at this. So you got the cracked one and you got the fresh boy. Yeah, time to put some of them LEDs. Look at that. Even Honda gives you a fresh bulb in the back too. All right, let's get this on the car and then see how bright it is. All right, so the bumper's back on. That was a pain. That bottom lip, that little lip for the Sport, it makes the rear, the bottom of the bumper more rigid, so you can't really bend it that much. But it's on there. Let's go check it out and see what it looks like in terms of output and everything. First I'll do the low beams and then I'll add the fog lights. Alright, let's go check it out. Alright, here we go. Here's the low beams. Let it get a little focus there, and then after that, here is the fog lights. Whoa, that is crazy! Like, it actually aims up higher. That is crazy. That is insane. Oh my gosh! Wow, look at that. Sorry about that, you guys. So my camera battery died and I couldn't finish off doing an ending for my video, so I just recharged it and then redid it again right now. So as you can see, the light output is absolutely amazing on the LED bulbs. I'll definitely link in the description where you can actually get the LED bulbs. Where I purchased it directly from was Effex Graphix from Manny. he has a variety of things. You can get HIDs, LEDs, internal lights if you wanted to, and everything. And on top of that, he actually does vinyl wraps for cars and everything. Absolutely amazing. You can actually check him out on IG. I'll link the description too, so that you can see of his work. It's absolutely super. Like vinyl wrappers and stuff like that, if you're looking for a vinyl wrapper, OCD is key, and he has that mindset of, you know, everything has to be extremely perfect. So that's a good thing. Anyways, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, and then you can see my future videos that's going to be upcoming. And on top of that, you can actually click the notification bell. That will also give you a notification of when's my next video going to be released. I have definitely a lot of projects coming up soon, so I can't wait to show you guys what I have in store. Anyways, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a nice day.